Hello? It's, Weird Orange again. My brother, Annoying Orange, is in his room. He's trying to make some jokes to that pair. Or he's in the kitchen, I think. He's trying to make some jokes to that pair or something. And he's not really, like, the Comedy Central, but people like him for some reason, even though, like, he's not funny. And I only have 5 Facebook friends, and I'm, like, way more funny than him. And, like, he just gets cut